Equivalent fractions using number chips. This is the Valentine's Day version. So it starts with showing students how to simplify fractions. They're going to divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. They're going to divide until they can't divide anymore, so they want the smallest numbers that are equivalent. On slide 3, they're going to start moving the number chips. So every slide has all the number chips that they need in order to simplify these fractions. So for example, 4/12, if we divide numerator and denominator by 4, we get 3. And then to move the 3, you just click and hold on the edge, and then they can move it into place. And 12 divided by, wait, did that wrong. That would be a 1. 4 divided by 4. We're going to simplify. And 12 divided by 4 would be 3. So you can see if students use the wrong number, then when they get to the end, the numbers aren't going to work. So they know that they've made an error. They need to go back and change it. So they're going to be simplifying those. The next 2 slides are all simplifying fractions. When we get to slide 6, it shows them how to change a fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. And they're going to be doing that with number chips on slide 7. So for example, 26/6. 6 goes into 26 4 times. So click and hold on the edge of the 4. So 4 is the whole number. 4 times 6 is 24. That means there's 2/6 left over. Well, if they look at this, 2/6 is not simplified. So they need to go ahead and simplify 2/6 to 1/3. So that's where it can get a little bit tricky. But the number chips will tell them where they've made an error, so they can always go back and look if the numbers aren't working. All right, slide 8 shows them how to change a mixed number to a single fraction. So for example, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so they're going to move the 13. And then the denominator stays the same, 13/3. When they get to the final slide, since this is the Valentine's Day version, they have a riddle about Valentine's Day, and they have letter chips. So they're going to solve this riddle using these letter chips at the bottom. So this is a digital lesson on equivalent fractions using number chips, the Valentine's Day version.